Hi, this is Catherine from the Rego team. Welcome to 74 Paddock Court. At almost 7,000 square feet of living space, this would work very well as a multi-generational home. The living room has 15-foot ceilings, a gorgeous fireplace, and walks out onto the upper balcony overlooking the gorgeous backyard that backs onto greenery for ultimate privacy. The chef's kitchen with massive island is open to the breakfast area and family living room. The primary bedroom has high ceilings, a fireplace, and private balcony overlooking the scenic backyard. The spa-like ensuite has a soaker tub, oversized double shower, and access to the walk-in closet from both rooms. The upper loft would make a great space for in-laws, older children, or a nanny suite, the perfect place to relax. The lower level has full windows and a walkout to the backyard. At over 3,000 square feet, this area is its own home, with space to have 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a kitchen and living room. It's almost complete and ready for your final touches to make this space your own. Having garage space for 4 cars is almost unheard of in this city. Hidden Valley is a prestigious and small private enclave of estate homes in the middle of the city. Surrounded by restaurants, shopping, golf course, and quick highway access, the location couldn't be better. To see this luxury home in person, just give us a call. This is Catherine from the Rego team.